Hi, I'm Tony Poulos and I'm here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. It's very wet and cold here, but we've come across some very warm characters, including John Aalbers, who's the CEO of Volubill, one of the industry's leading rating and charging operations. John, how are you?
Hey, Tony, I'm good. How are you? Good to see you.
John, tell me about the role Volubill plays in an operator's operations.
Okay, well, we really do three things for operators, mainly in the data charging space, policy management and policy enforcement.
John, what's the difference between traditional rating and real-time charging, and why is it so critical to service provider operations these days?
Certainly in the data space, charging needs to be in real time because you're interacting with the user session in real time. So that means the network has to be very closely integrated with the charging systems in the back office. So, a lot of prepaid obviously in the mobile space. Data prepaid needs to be handled in real time, and by definition that means everything that you do end to end needs to be real time.
Do SPs have to swap out their existing infrastructure to cope with the new real-time charging requirements, or can they have it as an adjunct?
It's definitely an adjunct system, yeah. There's a lot of investment been made in the existing infrastructure for billing and charging. And what you want to do with data is bring in something alongside that can maximise and leverage what's already been invested in. So we take a data charging solution that sits adjunct to the existing platforms. Yeah.
You only are worried about data itself. You're not doing voice at the moment, but of course voice will become an IP service as well.
Absolutely, yeah. We don't do traditional voice, but the market's coming to us in the sense that voice is becoming voice over IP.
I understand that you offer policy management as well. Why is that becoming so important as operators move to all IP networks?
Yeah, absolutely. The policy management is a key part of our business. What's happening is we know that there's a capacity crunch, the disconnect between the revenue model and the cost model that operators are suffering. Flat rate charging on one hand and unlimited consumption on the other hand. Policy management's a key part of trying to control that, and not only control it, but turn it into revenue generation opportunities, so through better segmentation and that sort of thing.
John Aalbers, CEO of Volubill, thanks for being with us this morning. And this is Tony Poulos reporting from the floor at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona for the Telecom Channel.